Welcome back to another episode of Sports Fans. On the menu today, pork steaks with a creamy mushroom onion gravy. Let's get it. All right, so before we get started, let me just quickly show you our ingredients list. This recipe really becomes easier if you get everything prepped ahead of time. So here we have a couple of small sweet baby peppers, one whole yellow onion. This is about 10 ounces of portobello mushrooms. I diced just a little bit of it. Some parsley, a couple of cloves of garlic, some thyme. And optional is a little bit of spinach. Here are our pork steaks, folks. Beautiful, nicely marbled. I've split them, cleaned them up already. Splitting them just makes them easier to manage. We're gonna start with seasoning. Simply our Grand Oaks garlic jalapeno and some 16 mesh cracked black pepper. We're gonna go pretty heavy with this Grand Oaks. Actually, I should have put my black pepper on first, not a problem. And a nice amount of this Grand Oaks. Same thing on the opposite side. Now I wanna flour these just a little bit, help with our sauce, as well as to color these during the browning process. All right, a little cleanup and we'll go get this pan heated. All right, our pan is nice and hot. Come in here with a little bit of oil of your choosing. This is avocado. And let's see how many we're gonna get in here. This should take us about 3 or 4 minutes per side. These are pretty thin, so maybe even less than that. All right, that's been about 7 minutes. Let's get them off of here. And these 2 stragglers. All right, let's get these off of here. Turn our heat down a little bit. And we're gonna come in here with that whole yellow onion. Let's get some nice color. Remove some of the water. We've given these onions a head start in with our baby bell peppers. You just wanna wilt those for a couple more minutes. These have cooked down nicely. Boy, you can hear my potatoes boiling away. Let's get these out of here and we're gonna introduce those mushrooms to the pot. A little more oil, and in we go. We really wanna caramelize these and get the moisture out. So we want a nice, dark, mahogany, rich color right here. Might take a couple of 10 minutes or so. I'm getting that color right where I want it. I'm gonna take out some of these mushrooms and just save them for towards the end for presentation or a little garnish type thing. Back in with all of my onions and bell pepper, some garlic. All these amounts will be in the description. And I wanna give this another 4 or 5 minutes after I add this 1 tablespoon of flour. Kind of building a little roux right here. Our flour has gotten the rawness out, taken on a nice color. Come in here with about a cup of chicken stock. Make sure you scrape and get everything off the bottom. And if necessary, you can always add more chicken stock. Some thyme. Got a cup of heavy cream. Oh, all right, let's work that in here. It's a beautiful color. Let's bring this back to a boil. All right, we've come back to a gentle boil, man. Thicken up perfectly. Let's give it a little taste for salt. I think you can use a little more, Mama. A little more salt. That's our Grand Oaks. Now we're gonna come in here with a couple of pieces of spinach. And as usual, we know spinach cooks down to nothing. Let's get this incorporated in with our brown pork. And you know. And we'll give this maybe 5-6 minutes just to get involved. So here we are, sports fans. We are ready to go, man. Let's put a plate together. We've got some awesome garlic roasted garlic mashed potatoes. And if you're interested in this recipe, I will put it in my top left-hand corner. How about some green beans, just to stay halfway healthy? Now, here we go. Oh, that's two. Oh, how about we get some of this gravy right here? Folks, tell me that's not money right here. A little sweet heat, red pepper flakes, and it's party time. Oh my goodness. It's seasoned well. Folks, that was pretty simple. That edge I just cut off had a nice crunch to it, which I'm surprised at. You can get this done in about 30-35 minutes or so. Totally doable, and you'll enjoy it. Prep ahead and you're good to go. Want to thank you guys and gals as usual for hanging out with Mom and Papa Joe. We really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. And like always, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla!